Broadband and baseband are two distinct types of data transmission methods used in networking. Broadband allows multiple signals to be sent simultaneously over a single medium, while baseband only allows one signal at a time. Broadband is commonly used in high-speed internet connections, such as cable and fiber optic networks. It is able to carry a large amount of data at once, making it ideal for streaming video, online gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. Baseband, on the other hand, is typically used in simpler communication systems, such as Ethernet networks. One key difference between broadband and baseband is the way they handle data. Broadband uses frequency division multiplexing to separate multiple signals into different frequency bands, allowing them to be transmitted simultaneously. Baseband, on the other hand, uses time division multiplexing to send one signal at a time, with each signal taking turns using the full bandwidth of the medium. Another difference between broadband and baseband is their susceptibility to interference. Because broadband uses multiple frequency bands, it is more resistant to noise and other forms of interference. Baseband, on the other hand, is more vulnerable to interference, as any disruption to the signal can cause data loss or corruption. In summary, broadband and baseband are two different approaches to data transmission, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Broadband is ideal for high-speed, high-capacity networks, while baseband is better suited for simpler communication systems. Understanding the key differences between these two methods is essential for designing and implementing effective networking solutions.